Hey, this is Chip Collins with Collins Group Realty here in the Low Country, and I'm just excited at the next opportunity we have for our downsizing workshop. And I just want to provide you a little bit of information about what's happening in these discussions when folks are coming to a set meeting, and we've got a schedule provided below so you can sign up for the next session that's going to be happening here. And really, we're just having a great time talking with folks about what's on their mind when it comes to downsizing. And what we're finding is downsizing is not necessarily an age-driven component. We're seeing folks certainly in their 70s and 80s wanting to downsize, but also, frankly, in their 40s and 50s. And the same issues apply, which is where should I downsize to? What am I going to do with all the stuff that I don't want? And I know we all have a lot of stuff. So that leads to the next issue is my house in the condition it needs to be to go on the market? What do I need to do to prepare my home for sale? And how am I going to marry all that together? So in other words, how do I get my house ready for sale and at the same time be mindful of the things that I need to pack and also get rid of the things that I don't want? So we're having some great discussions in these workshops, and I just want to have a quick opportunity to invite you to attend if you're thinking now and hopefully maybe even a little bit further into the future about where do you get started. How do you build your team is a big part about what we discuss. We have a move manager who's a downsizing expert that comes and speaks in our workshops as well. So all these are folded into just a great 2-hour session that we're hoping that you might have an opportunity and be interested in coming to attend. So please take a look at the link below and you'll be able to sign up for our next coming up workshop. And thanks for your time today.